Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll delve into navigating credit repair, understanding your rights and responsibilities with First Coast Small Business Consulting LLC. But before we do, let's grasp who we are and why we're devoted to helping aspiring small business owners access the funding they need. First Coast Small Business Consulting was born with a mission to serve the underprivileged and underserved small business community through a financial literacy campaign initiative. So, what exactly do we do at First Coast Small Business Consulting? We specialize in helping imperfect and unqualified individuals become eligible for a guaranteed minimum of $100,000 in funding to start or grow a business. We analyze personal and/or business credit reports to identify areas for improvement. We assess your balance sheet and/or personal financial statement to determine collateral potential. We assist all clients in increasing their capacity through income documentation and, if desired, liquidation of receivables. In summary, our grant-subsidized credit and funding program can assist anyone in becoming qualified for a minimum of a $100,000 capital raise to start or grow a business. Additionally, we offer a referral program, allowing you to improve the financial literacy of others while getting paid to facilitate their capital raise. Our Startup Business Funding Program can be used to start or grow a business with nominal fees and guaranteed results. Now, let's delve into the specifics of our Startup Business Funding Package. This package is designed to assist entrepreneurs in forming new businesses that are positioned for fast funding. Upon enrollment, we swiftly optimize your business profile on Dun & Bradstreet, followed by other essential components to prove fundability. These include setting up a legitimate commercial business address, obtaining an I number from the IRS, filing necessary paperwork with the Secretary of State, and more. We provide a unique business address, filing assistance with the Secretary of State, and help obtaining an I number, all covered by the grant. Now, let's move on to the crux of our topic today, navigating credit repair, understanding your rights and responsibilities with First Coast Small Business Consulting LLC. In the realm of personal and business finance, few things hold as much weight as your credit score. Understanding your rights as a consumer empowers you to advocate for fair treatment and take action if you encounter inaccuracies or unfair practices. While knowing your rights is crucial, it's equally important to recognize your responsibilities in the credit repair journey. Navigating the credit repair process alone can be overwhelming, which is why enlisting the expertise of a reputable consulting firm like First Coast Small Business Consulting LLC is invaluable. From comprehensive credit analysis to dispute resolution, we provide ongoing education and support to empower you to make informed financial decisions. In conclusion, understanding your credit rights and responsibilities is fundamental to achieving financial stability and success. If you're ready to take control of your financial future and embark on the journey to credit repair, we invite you to contact us today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights from First Coast Small Business Consulting LLC.